Money.
Did you get it? It's nice. Very good. Why don't you turn? That's not even a good picture.
We can.
My camera is. That's even worse. Yeah, you have to kneel.
That's the girl from LA 18, right?
Is that?
Yeah,
You know what? That's the one Lola had when she went to LA.
Yeah, she's from LA 18.
No, my Lola was on LA. She was the oldest.
Really?
What do you call it?
Yeah,
Mother's Day. Yeah. We just happened to stop.